The moon's position and why it's invisible. Every month, the moon goes through a fascinating cycle, but there's one phase that often goes unnoticed: the new moon. During this time, the moon is positioned almost directly between the Earth and the sun. Because of this alignment, the side of the moon that faces Earth is completely in shadow, making it essentially invisible to us. It's not that the moon disappears, it's just that the sunlit side is turned away from us, and the dark side faces Earth. This is why you can't see the moon in the night sky during the new moon phase. What's even more interesting is that this phase marks the start of a new lunar cycle, a fresh slate in the moon's journey around our planet. Despite being invisible, the new moon holds a powerful presence, quietly setting the stage for the phases to come. It's like the calm before a cosmic storm, a moment of darkness that leads to light. This invisible phase reminds us that sometimes what we don't see is just as important as what we do. The new moon's position also means that the sky is darker, offering a perfect backdrop for stargazers and astronomers to observe distant stars and galaxies without the moon's glow interfering. So even though the moon itself is hidden, its presence influences the night in subtle but significant ways. This phase is a powerful reminder of the moon's constant dance with the Earth and sun, shaping our nights and inspiring countless myths and scientific discoveries alike.